Hello, my name is Ram. This is basically a part of the language war. So one person told that everything is categorized and everything basically is in control of human basically. That is a nuclear power plant basically, and there basically it's a purely restricted data basically. Purely restricted data. So when basically Sunil Arna you visited Mumbai, that time basically your data basically was not prepared basically. You are going to purchase house basically in Prestige Group. That was not prepared basically. You are going to purchase and or just a car from Mumbai. That was not prepared basically. So assume that basically in your luck basically when you visited Ahmedabad, in the Ahmedabad land basically your kismat basically was not there. When you visited Bangalore basically, in Bangalore land basically your kismat basically was not there to have the house basically. When you visited Dubai basically, that time also basically your kismat basically was not there so that you can purchase the house in Dubai. Your kismat basically was not there basically in Pune also basically, because in Pune also basically you visited and you have basically not got the job basically. So one person told that like this basically. So one person told that in this world basically how many houses basically are there. So in this world basically let's take the example of India only basically. In India basically more than I think um, 15 crore apartments basically might be there. Just taking a rough example. So in this one person told that in 15 crore basically you basically don't have one own your basically one house also basically, in your name basically. So nothing basically is of yours basically property basically. So one of the satellite group told that basically we have searched basically your data basically don't have anything basically in India land basically. So next